How do you add a Safari widget on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. So whenever you are on your home screen, you can hold it down anywhere to initiate the edit mode. It is where all of the icons just start to shake, and then you need to tap on the edit button in the top left corner and click on add a widget. So naturally, all of the available widgets from all of the apps are going to appear, so you can scroll through them or just look up, like type in Safari, and you'll be able to add 3 sizes of the widgets, depends on which one you prefer. So you have the rectangle, which is like, in the middle, then you have the large and a small square, but it's just a size difference because all of the widgets do the very same thing, and they display the reading list websites. So you will have quick access to some of the web pages, but only those which are stored to the reading list. So whenever you are browsing the website, you can tap on the button next to the URL and just perhaps click on more, and you have the option to add it to the reading list. And you can see which pages you have on the reading list currently, and those are like technically like blogs or articles or something which you want to save for reading later, and those are going to appear in the widget as well. So the way that it works is that you can quickly access them from the widget, but once you open it up, it just disappears because it just assumes that you read it already, and it can disappear from then on, right? So that's kind of how it works. It's not like a bookmark or anything like that, but that's how the widgets for Safari function. Now, I would really appreciate your feedback below. Let me know if you liked the video or if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you then.